Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Guys, do remember, guys, if you are new here, to subscribe to our channel and also turn on your notification bell so that you can know when we post a new video. Also give this video a like, guys, a thumbs up, okay? It is much appreciated. And do remember to always trust and put God first in all you do. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. And my two is just there so serious. Alex and I are so serious.
Alex, you don't want to laugh?
Look at guys like he's laugh.
They're miserable.
They just stop.
Look at all that treasure! It's mine! It's all mine! I got the treasure. I'm really clear. Dad! 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 Get my leg! Get my... Dad! Dad! Oh, I lost the treasure.
You get a swag, a swag, a swag, a swag.
I'm just gonna...
I got a, you got a swag. Yeah.
Alex, back! Thank you.
Alex, wait. No, it doesn't work. It just make you more thingy. It's slower. Look how slow I go. This is how.
No, we're not going to crash into him. Let's see, we're going to go next.
Alex, look. This side, this next. You liking it? Move your hand then. You can pedal by yourself. I said you can pedal by yourself.
I can, it's probably more awkward than you would do. Lift your feet off, I think. Put your feet down.
Nah, it's just, let me do it. Ready? Stop. Are you having fun? You having fun, Aya?
She's going to get wet.
No, we're not gonna get wet. We're not gonna. Alex, you okay? Alex, having fun?
Right, Aya? Legs are tired. It's not like they're not rotating, right? Hey, go run down there and back. Hey, run down it and back. Alex, go trip Aya up. Alex, go trip Aya up.
No.
Alex, trip her up. Trip her up, Alex. Aya, run. Alright, come up there, guys. Let's push up a little bit. You just sit.
Go on, Alex. Wow. Don't hit. So Alex is driving me. Oh my God. Thank you for the lift, Alex. Woo! Go on, Alex. Go on. Drive. Press the foot down. Go on. Turn. Turn, Alex. Go. Oh my days. That Alex talking. Turn. Press down. Press. You hit it. Go on, Alex. Go on. Continue. Press it. Flow it, Alex. Press. Press the pedal. Keep it. There. Alex, you need to not hit the thingy. That's me pushing you out with my bum. I am driving. Alex, drive. Just press it. Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna watch it.
Yeah, we're going to go through the water, okay? Drive, Alex, drive. Press, floor it, Alex. Drive, Alex, drive. Press. Look where you're going, Alex. No, sir.
I got stuck.
This is not cool. You want to go by yourself? Oh.
I can go 2 turns.
You got to look where you're going. Alex!
See if we get splashed.
Go on, Alex.
Take it on. Take it off. Good. Wow, pati ko nanya Blanca. Okay, one you and then one me.
Alex, look where you're going.
Oh, you go first and then later I go here again.
Go on, Alex. Go on, Alex.
I take a video from there.
Alex, go.
I wait because maybe you.
Wow. Are you having fun?
No!
He needs to be talking like a Viking. He doesn't want to.
How are we gonna settle it? Well, what on one with me? Should I finish him? Yeah. Video of this was yours,
Yeah, he's gonna bite you.
All very, very old.
He don't bite you.
Don't put your
He's
hand in his
so
mouth though.
No, because you will bite you.
Wait for him to come up and then you can stroke his shell. Very decent now.
Why is he?
No, he's coming to say hello. Coming to say hello.
Why is he
Stroke
coming
him.
to me?
Don't touch his head. Just stroke his snail. There you go. Because I don't know whether they bite or not. Where's he going to the shed? Going to the flat. See? That one's trained well, huh? When people come in, he comes out.
Let me try.
Right, where do you want to put it? Here?
Alex, don't wet me. Alex, don't do that.
Come on, sit down.
Everybody's just gonna find it. Everybody's going